I just got a new kick pedal and I'm so excited. If you're a new drummer and you're wondering, does the kick pedal really make a difference? Yes, it does. You definitely want a quality pedal that's smooth and responsive and won't hamper your movements. There's certainly a lot of opinions and no clear consensus on which is the best pedal. I did a bunch of research. I decided to go with this Yamaha FP9. So let's take a look. Hi, I'm Steve at Root to Rhythm. It is exciting to get new things, and for me especially, new drum gear. So let's take a look. Let's get this box open. Oh, look at this. So nice, huh? Wow, beautiful. Look at that. It's just amazing. All right, so you might be wondering, why the new pedal? Well, as I mentioned in a previous video, I have a Roland TD-20K kit, and I bought that kit 14, 15 years ago. And I've always just used the pedal that came with that kit. And it's okay, it works fine. But when I decided to get back into drumming and explore some new techniques, I knew that I was going to need a new kick pedal, a top of the line one, that wouldn't hamper my progress. By the way, I'm documenting my journey back into drumming in my series called Back to the Beat, which will be coming out soon. So make sure you hit subscribe, ring the bell for the notifications, and keep an eye out for that. First, I checked the reviews to see what they were saying. I went to the music store and tried out a bunch of pedals. And lastly, and maybe most importantly, I did a little research into what are the top drummers of today using. Now, I've always liked Yamaha gear, so I decided I would try out the Yamaha FP9C. The FP9 was released by Yamaha in 2019, and it comes in various configurations. You can get the single pedal like I've got here. You can get the double pedal. It also comes with different drives. It comes with a chain drive like this one, which also, by the way, comes with a strap that you can use. And it also comes in a direct drive. Now, one of the first things that you notice when you get this out of the box is how well it's built. It's really strong and durable. You know, Yamaha makes motorcycles, etc. And the pedal looks like a real high-tech piece of machinery. You know, it's all shiny chrome and aluminum and metallic blue. Even has a touch of gold on the beater there. And the movements are so smooth. It's quiet. Look at that.
So quiet.
So first let's talk about the clamp where it attaches to your kick. Now this is really well made with 3 rubber points here so you won't mar the rim of your drum. And what I really like is this adjustment here that's out on the side. A lot of the older kick drums had like the adjustment, the tightening here, which was really hard to reach when you're down on your hands and knees, and so I really like that feature. Now, another really cool feature about this pedal are the anchors. Yamaha's moved them from traditionally at the front of the pedal to here at the back of the pedal. Now, this is a really cool feature because it helps to keep the pedal from sliding from side to side. Also, to keep the pedal in place, the entire bottom surface here is covered in rubber. This pedal's not going anywhere. Now this pedal is also equipped with really high quality, expert machined bearings. In fact, each one of these blue points is a bearing, including a nice feature is to have bearings here at this part of the pedal as well. Now, as I mentioned, this model comes with either the chain drive or the direct drive. Now, a cool feature with this version is that it comes with a nylon strap as well, that you can replace the chain with the strap to get a slightly reduced mass and a little more fluid feel. Now, one of the cool things about the FP9 is how adjustable it is. There are a lot of adjustments, each of them independent from the others, so you can really tailor this pedal to any taste. And another cool thing about these adjustments is all of them can be done while the pedal's attached to the drum. One really cool feature is the spring tension adjustment. A lot of older pedals have that adjustment down here, but with this one, because it's here, you can easily reach that from your stool. It's self-locking and it clicks for each adjustment step, which helps you to know what adjustments you've done. Okay, another real cool feature of this pedal is that it comes with an adjustable cam. A lot of pedals will come with either just a single cam or different cams that you need to dismantle the pedal to replace. With this pedal though, it's a real quick adjustment with the drum key. There's 3 positions. One is a rounded, one is like an offset position, and one is somewhere in between. Now with the rounded position, you get a consistent and smooth and more dynamic feel. With the offset position, what you get is a little more resistance in the beginning of the stroke, but then towards the end of the stroke, the beater moves faster and with more power. So it depends on your style of drumming and what you prefer. Myself, I prefer the rounded adjustment. So I'm gonna go ahead and set it up with that. There's a couple other adjustments as well. One is the beater angle and the other is the footboard height. And what's cool on this pedal is that on some pedals, that's one adjustment, but here it's independent adjustments. And again, very quickly and easily done with the drum key. That's the beater adjustment, and this would adjust the height of the footboard. Now the last adjustment we'll talk about is the beater weight. With most pedals, you've just got to replace the beater if you want to change the weight. But a slightly heavier beater will give you a bit more power and a bit more attack. Now with this pedal, what's cool is it comes with these little weights for the beater, and you can actually adjust the weight. With this little slider here, you just pull the slider down and put the weight inside. The model comes with 2 weights, this aluminum one, which is 3 grams, and this brass one, which is 9 grams. Out with the old, and in with the new. All right, my first thoughts having tried it out. The movements are so smooth, it's so quiet and feels so natural on my foot. I want to play around with the adjustments a little bit, but my first impressions are this is a fantastic pedal.
Cool. Yeah, it is cool.
In summary, I'm really happy with the Yamaha FP9. It's top quality yet reasonably affordable. It's super comfortable, super fast, and yet highly adjustable so that anyone can make this pedal do what they want it to do. I highly recommend this to both beginners and professionals. So try it out. I hope you like it.